அண்ணாத்த ஆடுறார் ஒத்திக்கோ ஒத்திக்கோ தென்னாட்டு வேங்கதாம் ஒத்துக்கோ ஒத்துக்கோ அண்ணாத்த ஆடுறார் ஒத்திக்கோ ஒத்திக்கோ தென்னாட்டு வேங்கதாம் ஒத்துக்கோ ஒத்துக்கோ காட்டோரம் மேயும் குறும்பாடு அத போட்டாதான் நமக்கு சாப்பாடு அட காட்டோரம் மேயும் குறும்பாடு அத போட்டாதான் நமக்கு சாப்பாடு சிறுனா சிறுவேன் சிறுனா சிறுவேன்
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் திக்கணமும் அதிர்ச்சிறந்த திராவிடனர் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்தில திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
We are happy to meet you all in yet another fantastic informative event, which may be an eye-opener event for most of you and your kiddos out there. Our generation has witnessed many technological advancements, right from mobile phones to self-driven cars, aimed to enhance the lifestyle and security of a common man. When we talk about self-driven cars, we can't avoid mentioning this name Tesla. Tesla is one of the most successful producer of a self-driven cars. There's yet another reason I'm talking about Tesla is that they created a successful platform in reality where humans can interact and experience a robot in their day-to-day life. As we know, mostly robots are used in mass production industries and it's always been a costly affair for a common man. But that trend is changing rapidly now. As we see in Hollywood movies, robots may not walk with us in the street in the near future, but I'm sure we will enjoy and experience the autonomous self-running robots in the name of cars, gadgets, and household appliances. Scope for robots and robotics are going to be a huge in the future. Also, robotics combines mechanical, electrical, electronics, and computer in a single platform so that learning robotics gives a way for multi-dimensional knowledge, innovation, and logical thinking. As an ISO 9000, 26000, and 20121 standard certified organization, Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum always introduces and involves its members to experience the latest developments in the engineering world. I hope we all remember Sophia, a humanoid robot which we interacted with its last year event. This year, TIFF proudly presents to all of our members and families a demo workshop on robotics and coding for kids by Techno School for Robotics from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Techno School for Robotics was formed to take robotics primarily to schools and colleges and ensure that a specialized knowledge and awareness on robotics was given to the school and college students. Without delaying further, let us hear more on robotics from the trainers itself. TEF welcomes Techno School for Robotics, and here they are.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening to everybody. Can I take the session, sir? Shall I start the session, sir? Yes. Yeah, my name is Srinivasan, and we are from Techno School for Robotics from Chennai. So we are here to give you a small demo on robotics and its advantages. Okay. Now I am going to share you the presentation. Just a minute, a small technical glitch.
Sir, you can start.
Yes, yes. You can see the window here, sir. Can you see the presentation here?
No, no. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Now it is visible.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So I once again small technical glitch. Sorry for the inconvenience. So we are the Techno School for Robotics from Chennai, and we are in association with the Tamil Nadu Engineers Forum. So thanks for inviting us for a robotics demo for all members and here present over here. So I'll start with a small brief discussion about our company. Techno School for Robotics. We are an ISO 9001:2015 company, and we are feel privileged to introduce ourselves as an education institution for robotics. Especially, we are going to concentrate on, as rightly said by the organizer, we are concentrating on school students. So we are also affiliated by the All India Council for Robotics and Automation (ICRA), and the Techno School for Robotics was formed for to take the robotics primarily for schools and colleges. We have a specialized knowledge and awareness of robots was given to the all students irrespective of the ages. So our main motto is that from KG to PG, we have to take the robotics there. Our mission is that to bring the technology at your doorstep. Our principle is tell me I forget, show me I remember, and involve me I understand. It's nothing like that. Our vision is that to make a digital India together. We together, we combine hands, we can make wonders. So this is our slogan: interact, involve, and innovate. Right? So we interact with the students, we involve with the projects, and we have innovated new products. So this is our main slogan. This is the 3 I's we are going to follow. So what about our educational system? So how we are giving the training to the students? So our education system is a hands-on experience, highly interactive session between the students and projects-based learning. This is PBL, and we are giving the 360 degrees training module, STEM education, reverse engineering. Do you know about reverse engineering? I'll be covering that later. Okay. So we do many workshops, BE projects, after school activities, career courses, competition tie-ups, and robotics lab setup too. So we are the only center in Chennai that dealing with the KG to PG. So do you think what is robotics? So the robotics is a branch of technology which includes the mechanical, engineering, electronics, and it is an interfacing of all the STEMs. So it is a STEM-based technology, okay, which deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. So what is the need of robots? So you should think, what is the need of robots? Why we are always talking about the robots? Because the importance of robotics in education is very, very vital role. It plays a very vital role because nowadays 80%, 90% of our life is depends upon the automation. That's because the introducing the robotic to schools means making the STEM skills. What is STEM? Actually, science, engineering, technology, and mathematics skills. And the knowledge hands-on and fun to prepare the students for the future in a way that feels more likely and creativity and less homework. Okay. So this is the STEM. The STEM is the curriculum-based idea of an educating students for a specific disciplines. As I told you already, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It's an interdisciplinary approach. So when you concentrate on robotics, you should not you cannot concentrate on science, technology, and engineering separately. It is a combination of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So your brain will be a more sharper. So rather than to teach the four disciplines as separate, the discrete subjects, the STEM integrates and cohesive learning and paradigm based on the real world application. Okay. So these subjects encourage the reasoning and teach the type of thinking skills adults are going to need in a world where almost everything will be enhanced by the use of robotics. So நம்ம ஏன் robotics கத்துக்கணுங்கிறத வந்து you have to think. So science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So இந்த நாலுமே வந்து சேர்ந்ததுதான் it's a robotics. So robotics when you see about the robotics, the classification of robots by mobility. So இதுல வந்து நிறைய types of robots இருக்கு. So first பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's by mobility. Mobilityனா என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, so fixed robot, mobile robots. So ஒரு இடத்துல நின்னு வேலை செய்யறது, இன்னொன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's a mobile robot. It will move here and there. Okay. So fixed robots is like the different types of fixed robots like Cartesian, cylindrical, Scara, six-axis, delta. So all the fixed robots are used in the industrial robots. So mobile robots are used for aquatic. So mobile robots எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம், fixed robots எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம். So fixed robots where the works are doing continuously. அங்க we are using the fixed robots. So mobile robots எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, the man cannot go. So அங்க வந்து we can use the mobile robots. So aquatic, terrestrial, wheeled, legged, tracked. So இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா mobile robots ஓட varieties. Airborne. Okay. So aquatic in the sense it will move in the sea. So terrestrial in the sense it will go in a hills, rocks, forests, and everywhere. Okay. If you have any question, please shoot me the question in the chat box. We will discuss it at the end of the session. Okay. So fixed robots. So fixed robot, this is the types of fixed robots where you have seen already in some of the YouTube channels. So where all your the car manufacturing machines are using this kind of robots. Okay. So next we are going to see the mobile robots. So mobile robots, there are the different kinds of robot you see here. This is the Mars robot. This is the terrain robot. This is the spider robot, and this is the snake robot, which is under. It is to monitor the under swimming pool. This is the drone. So next we are going to see about the classification of robots by the application. So we have different types of applications in the industry. So one is that logistic robots. So நம்ம robots பத்தி பார்க்கும்போது different types இருக்கு. First பார்த்தது வந்து it depends upon their platform. So fixed இருக்கா, movable இருக்கா. So இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது by its application. So இந்த robots வந்து என்னென்ன applicationல யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. So industrialல பாத்தீங்கன்னா first they are using it in the logistic. So okay. So industrial robots, they are using in the logistic robots. So where is the logistic? When you go for a very large corporate concern like Amazon, Flipkart, they are using the logistic robots. Okay. I'll share you the video of the same. Okay. Then the manufacturing robots. So what is manufacturing robots? You have all seen these kind of robots in the car manufacturers. Okay. So these kind of robots only used in the car manufacturers. Then the classification of robots by its application. Second thing, service robots. In the service robot, there is a two type of category, then delivery robot, shopping assistant. So we can see a small video on delivery robots. So this is one of the Amazon's warehouse where the robots are automized. and they are taking and they are doing the things. So all the robots have a unique code number, and it is programmed by the unique user programmers, and it will not hit with for each other. Okay, this program. So this is how the delivery happens. We'll answer you all the questions at the end of the session. Okay. So next from the banking sectors and the hotels. So the pepper which is used in the HSBC Bank USA, and this in the hotels they use it as a sandboard, which is the user friendly. Okay. So next we are going to the sub branches of robotics. The robotics deals with the many applications and many branches. Okay, like aerial robotics. Aerial robotics is nothing but airborne robotics. Airborne is nothing but like a drone. When it deals with the air, it is called aerial robotics or airborne robotics. Then Android science. You know Android already. So everybody is using the Android. Anthrobotics. Anthrobotics is a technology. Next, artificial intelligence. So that will we can artificial intelligence, artificial neural networks. We will be discussing it later. Okay, in a detailed manner. Then beam robotics, biomorphic robotics, biorobotics, cloud robotics, computational neuroscience. So these are various kinds of branches in the robotics. Robotics is not only making of a humanoid robot or a vehicle. So it has a plays a vital role in developing the technologies. Okay, thus intelligent vehicle technologies, kinematics, laboratory robotics, microbotics, even the cooking robotics also developed by the fixed thing. Where we have to program everything, and we have to just press enter. It will cook whatever you want. Okay. So then nano robotics, then robotic surgeries. Robotic surgeries is nowadays making a vital role in many big concerns, many big hospitals. So it will make a surgery is very easy and very productive. So then swarm robotics and telepresence. So in the COVID time, the telepresence plays a major role of the hospitals, because the many doctors cannot see each other, and we are also seeing this is also one kind of a telepresence. Okay, this webinar also a kind of a telepresence. Okay, so in that the tele robot will move here and there for the patients, and the doctor will there in the seat, and he will be answering the questions. Okay, so these are the different branches of robotics. Then biomorphic robotics. So one of the major robotics development is biomorphic robotics. So the company called Boston Dynamics, they are placing a vital role in a very, very important role in the biometric robotics. So biometric robotics is a sub-discipline of robotics focused based upon emulating the mechanics, sensor system and computing structures and method is used by animals. They are reciprocating the same animal into a robots, the animal robots. Okay, like a dog, like a horse, like a cheetah, like a rabbit. So they are giving their three-dimensional view for animal, and they are developing the robots. Okay, In the short, the building robots inspired by the principles of biological system of the animals. Okay, so you are seeing is the big dog where it is used in the militaries. It will carry the loads and loads of tons of the guns and everything. So it is used in the US military. Then the Spot Mini Bot. The Spot Mini Bot is a domestic user-friendly bot. We can see a short video on this. So it can single horned robot, Spot Mini Robot. It can do any things with that the thumbs. It is taking the glass, right? You are saying that it is the hands are with the pressure sensors. It is taking the handling the aluminum thing and it is taking the glass. Then how you see how the precise the pressure sensors is. Then intelligent vehicle technology. So this is the most technology which is prevailing over the world now. So intelligent vehicle technologies comprise of the electronic and electromechanical and electromagnetic devices, usually the silicon micro machine components operating in conjunction with the computer controlled devices and radio transceivers to provide precision repeatability function. So it is the main function of this. This is the Vision Urbanatic. So this is developed by the Mercedes-Benz. It is the intelligent vehicle where you can use the both the terms. We will see a small video in that. Just a minute. Concept car. This is a kind of a concept car. So what we have seen is that it is the concept car. So I'll answer you all the questions at the end of the session. Okay. Now it is audible, I think so. So okay. So now the robot learning. So what is robot learning? It is a research field at the intersection of the machine learning and robotics. So we are going to learn about the artificial intelligence. Okay. So I am here to share you some knowledge about the robot learning, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, and what is the importance of coding. So how the coders are there. So we are going to discuss in the coming sessions. So it is a studies techniques allowing a robot to acquire novel skills and adapt to its environment through a learning algorithms. So what is artificial intelligence is nothing but it is the different kinds of algorithm. It is the learning of a computer to a machine. Okay, the basic tasks for a robot are obstacle detection and avoidance, picking an object, line following, line sealing, and self-balancing. This is the basic task for a robot. Now, everybody is doing the same. Okay, everybody is doing the same task. Okay, so next will be how the robot learn. How we are going to teach a robot or a computer to learn the thing. It is called one-shot learning. It is an algorithm by which the robots are learned to pick a new object in seeing a demo video. Okay, I will play a video here. See, in this video, this man is teaching a robot how to cook. In the scenario 2, the robot is replicating the same. This is called robot learning, direct teaching, without any algorithms, by the visual. Now a robot is, see, how it is mapped. Just imagine. So this is a type of robot learning. We have to teach a robot to behave ourselves. So next, so after the robot learning, what the robot will do? So we'll create a robot and we will create a prototype, and we cannot do as like that, and we cannot program everything and make the robot move, because for a robot making, it includes lots and lots of lakhs and even crores too. Okay, so for that the simulators are used. The simulators are the main tool for a robot, how they are performing, to see how they are performing and to rectify the error. Okay, so these are the different kind of simulators we are using: RoboLogic, Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio, RoboDK, Acting, WebBots, LabVIEW, OrCAD, and MATLAB. Okay, so these are the different kind of simulators where we can design a robot and we can simulate the robot and what they are doing, how they are doing. We can simulate the same. So then this is the thing. So in this competitive world, okay, in this competitive world, all are becoming the programmers. So without programming, nothing is there. Nothing, no automation is there. So without coding, without robotics, so no automation is there. So we want to learn deep programming. These are the set of languages for robotics. Main we are using is that C++ is the main basic tool, and Python. So other languages are Java, C hash, .NET, MATLAB, Octave, Assembly. These are the different kind of languages. Basic, Pascal, Lisp, the hardware description languages like HLDs. Okay, so these are the different kind of languages we are going to see. So in our course, we are going to provide many courses. In that course, we are going to see about the C, C++ and Python. Okay, for the basic robotic programming, and for the further levels we will have many languages. So what is the happening technologies that you really want to know? So you should know this really, but this is the happening technologies. All you know already the artificial intelligence. So you are very familiar with the virtual reality. Nowadays the movies are coming with the virtual reality, augmented reality like the Pokemon, and the Internet of Things is the heart of the thing, then the industrial Internet of Things. So we will be having a detailed discussion on these topics. What is artificial intelligence? What is AI, VI, VR, IoT, and IIoT? Okay. So please, if you have any doubts, please share it in the chat box. We will discuss it in the last. So what is artificial intelligence? Okay. So we have to think what is artificial intelligence? Why the AI is needed? So intelligence is something, but something acting intelligent. So what is artificial intelligence? Why the intelligence made to be so artificial? Okay. So we have to be keen in that. So what is AI? So artificial intelligence is an area of a computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machine that work and react like a humans. That work and react like a humans. It is a study of how to train the computers so that the computers can do the things at, at which the present of the human beings can do better. So when we train the computers, it can do the things better than us. Okay, so that is AI. Okay, are you clear with the AI? The AI is nothing but it's a study of how to train the computers so that the computers can do the things which at present human can do better. Okay, so this is the important definition so that I am telling once again. Okay, so therefore it is an intelligence where we want to add all our capabilities, all our brain things to the computers and to teach the computer how we are doing. Example, Sophia. Have you seen the Sophia? There is a lot of controversies on Sophia robot, where it told that uh, I will invade humans like that. So a lot of controversies are there with the Sophia. So some of the activities of computers with the artificial intelligence are designed for include speech recognition, learning, planning, and problem solving. So these are the four main categories of AI which we are training the computers. So everybody is having the mobile, I think so. So everybody having the internet. So you don't know. I will tell you many facts which you don't know what really happening in the world of internet, and what is AI, how AI is related to the internet, and how AI is related to the robotics. Okay, so I will tell you everything detailedly. So what is the types and what is the uses of artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence, like it is a three category. Okay, so artificial is nothing but a program that can sense, reason, act, and adapt. Simple thing. A program that can sense, reason, act, and adapt. Okay. So you should know, students. You should know what is really happening, so that I am giving my utmost knowledge to you on AI. Okay. So don't get feeling bored, because it is not a bored thing. But the the slide in upcoming slides, I will give you many interesting facts. Okay. So what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. So these three are a major role in artificial intelligence. Okay. So in artificial intelligence is algorithm based. Machine learning is a neural network based. In the Robo or Endiran, the films have you seen? I think so. In that they will tell that the neural schema, you can bring that neural schema, it can give you everything. So the neural schema of the thing is that very important. Okay. So then the deep learning. So deep learning is nothing but is a subset of machine learning. So artificial intelligence, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. So and the deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Okay, do you understand this clear? So if we have any doubts, we can clear it in our robotics classes. Okay. So what is algorithm based AI? Okay. So algorithm based AI. So what is that? The social media usage has grown up exponentially since the last decade. Since it is a virtual escape for the people, the creators think the way through which the users can be happier more. For example, have you noticed, have you noticed that the ads in the Facebook, when you talk through your mobile and when you unexpectedly when you open a Facebook and see, நீங்க உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஏதாவது சொல்லிருக்கலாம், ஷூஸ் வேணும், வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லிக்கலாம். When you open the Facebook, the same the shoe ad and it will be coming on the Facebook. So this is one kind of artificial intelligence. Okay. When you go home and you can check this too. You can open your Google browser and you can search for something like glasses or watches and everything and anything. And in the simultaneously you can open a tab and you open a Facebook and you can see there the same ads will be reflected there. So it is called Google Ads. They will say, but it is a kind of artificial intelligence. It is an algorithm. These ads are controlled by the Google recommendations engine, which shows you the things based on your choices. Okay, it is interesting, you know. Then the machine learning. So machine learning is nothing but it is a learning in which a machine can learn by its own. So artificial intelligence, we are giving a program. So in machine learning, machine to machine, it is practicing on its own. When you say Apple in your mobile, it shows the search results for Apple. How it is possible? By use of this machine learning only. It is practicing the word of your Apple and it is comparing with algorithms. Okay, do you got it? So which the machine can learn by its own without being explicitly programmed. It is an application of AI that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience. So it will be automatically learn and improve from their own experience. So யாரும் சொல்லி தர தேவையில்ல. It will be learning from its experience. Okay. So that is machine learning. So what is deep learning? So artificial intelligence, it is a program based. So machine learning, it is an self-learning based. So then what is the deep learning? What is the need of the deep learning? So deep learning is actually a subset of machine learning. It is technically the machine learning and it functions in the same way, but it has a different capabilities. So deep learning and machine learning, a small gap there. But the main difference between these deep learning and machine learning is that machine learning models become better progressively, but the models still need some guidance. So in the machine learning models become better, but the model still needs some guidance. If a machine learning model returns an inaccurate prediction, then the programmer need to fix that problem. So on the machine learning or problem vandichina, we should have to call our deep learning. So in this model, it does it by himself. The automatic car, it's the best example for that deep learning. So all the artificial intelligence cars, all the self-driving car are made with a deep learning. Okay. When you have a cycle in front of your self-driving car, when we programmed it is a cycle, it is an artificial intelligence, it is okay, it is accepting, okay. Then further, like a cycle, you have, if you find another machine like that, so it goes to the machine learning. Further, it is not a machine or a cycle, further it is going to the deep learning. So it is a 3-step of algorithms comparing, and it will produce a result to you. Okay, so this is the deep learning. So I will tell you what is exactly a machine learning and a deep learning. Machine learning, for example, in a machine learning, if we train a machine, okay, we are going to train a machine. So artificial intelligence is nothing but a training of the computers, training of your machine, whatever it may be, computer or machine or something like that. Okay. So if you train a machine, when you say a room is dark, when you are going into a room and you say the room is dark, it should on flashlight, it should on the lights. Okay. It is like if you had a flashlight that turned on whenever you said it is dark. நீங்க எப்ப டார்க்னு சொன்னாலும் it should turn that light. So இது வந்து machine learning. So it would recognize the different phrases of containing the word dark. So it is so dark, it is very dark to see. So நீங்க எது இத சொன்னாலும் it will identify the word dark and it will switch on the flashlight. So this is the machine learning. Okay. Now, if the flashlights has a deep learning model, the same machine has a deep learning model, what will be the phrase? So the figure may be, it should turn on with the phrases. I can't see. If we say I can't see, it should recognize, okay, the person can't see, so we should on the flashlight. So this is the deep learning. How deep it is going into the phrases, you think? Or the light switch won't work. You are not directly telling it is dark, but you are indirectly telling the light switches won't work. So நீங்க அப்படி சொன்னாலும் it will work. It will switch on the flashlight. So this is the major difference between the machine learning and the deep learning. I think you have clearly understood the difference. If you say yes, you can give a thumb. So these are the two minor differences of these two. So machine learning uses the algorithms and phrase data, learn from that data and make informed decisions. And deep learning structures algorithms in the layers to create an artificial network. Okay. So this is the structure of the learning. Yes. So how many of you understood this concept? Can you please give a thumbs up so that I can better. Okay, so these are the things. So industrial Internet of Things is a different thing. So I will share you many, will share you with many videos and many activities in the upcoming session in the previous slide. So this is the kind of a robot which is used as in the HSBC bank. You please enjoy this.
World's leading humanoid social robot.
Tell me about products.
Which product are you interested in? Tap one of the icons on the screen.
We're really excited to be the first major retail bank in North America to deploy Pepper in a US retail bank setting.
Pepper was designed to help people get the information that they need at retail stores, hotels, banks like HSBC. She's what we call a social robot. So she's much akin to, say, a kiosk that you might have information to help customers, but she's proactive. So when you enter a store and you're wandering around, she'll see you and go, hey, can I help you? Just like a person would. She will not save any information about you specifically on our systems. Now, as we move forward, in the advancement of Pepper, we do have other technology that does collect data. So we have face recognition, which we announced earlier this year. And that allows Pepper to go, hey, welcome back, frequent customer. Last time you were here, you got a mortgage. You interested to talk to a banker about that. So it's personalization.
Pepper is going to create jobs. We're already seeing so much new business at this location because of Pepper that our branch manager and team are saying, hey, we need more people to cope with this. And that is exactly what that was our thesis behind this experiment. When we were like, we wanted to deploy this, we wanted to drive more traffic, attract new business. And if we get more business, we need more people because our people ultimately.
So then this is the kind of a sweeper robot. Just see this video. So this is a kind of robot. Okay, I'll show the different kind of robots, and we'll be in the upcoming session. We'll be doing some of the activities. This is a John fan. So this is the disaster management robot. You see all the mobile robots are here. This is a mobile robot. So these are the mini courses. Okay, these are the different courses we are going to provide. Game designing with coding, we'll give the workshop, and the game designing coding with the course. Okay, so after this course details, we'll be doing some activities. Okay, I will show some activities to you. Okay, and Robocy is a coding with a simulation workshop. Okay, so the entry is from 6th through 9th standard, and the duration is 2 hours. So language is embedded C. So these are the 2 courses we are going to launch right now. Okay, so I'll be just showing you some of the activities for how to program a robot, and what is the simulation, and what you can move with the robot. Okay, so about the fees and the timings, the TEF will send you a circular to you. Okay, this is my presentation over, and I'll show you some video activities from that. Just a minute, I'll share you. So before that, I'll show you some more videos, so that you will know about the what is So what are the questions I want to answer the questions?
I'm Abhishek with eyesight and I have a brand new robotic that acts on carbon. This device is not only a powerful PC, but it also.
So what is delivery programmed after every? Will delivery robots be programmed after every function done? Yes, it will be done parallelly. When the order is made, then it will be. So what is a cloud robot? So all things, the cloud robot is nothing but if many cloud programs are there, cloud robots are there. Actually, how to say, uh, some redirects. Many cloud robots are there. I will tell you in a separate session. It is not a small session. I have your demo class. I have a doubt. Which coding type is used to code most of the time? I am interested in your classes. Please send your details to mail ID. Okay. So all the details will be shared. Okay. So you will be going to learn everything, and we are going to make a great move. Make move. So just I will show you some coding, how to we will code and how to will move the robots and how this matters. Okay, just wait a minute. I will load that program. So it is a heavy graphics program. Just wait. I'll show. So I'm going to share a simulator. Just a minute. Hope everybody is showing is viewing the window. Okay. So this is nothing but an it is a software. It is both here there is an robot is there. Okay. Can you view it? Okay, we can make a lot of arenas and everything here. See, it is my own created arena here. So it is my robot here. Where you are seeing is my robot. So this is the place where we are going to make an. I have already done a program. So see what is the robot is doing. I just so it is compiling the code. I'll show you some simple activity how to move the robots and everything. So you are also going to do the same. We'll be giving the licenses to you. See this turning. Okay, it is stopped. Okay, so here you can see the many menus: move, forward, motor, sensors. We have different type of sensors here: conditions, loop, IO commands, buzzer, and everything is there. Okay, so we can file new. Okay, so to move a robot forward, simple thing is that you have to click move forward. Okay. So when you play it, the robot will move automatically. See, without any end, it will move because I have made it in a repeat mode. Okay, so I will tell you a different combination, and you can just it is a drag and drop kind of thing. Okay, you can just drag it and drop it. It is a completely logically based coding. If you understand the logic, you can do the coding. Okay, so the logic and the coding is a very important thing in that thing. This is called the simulation area where you can simulate your robots, how it is performing and all, and you can change everything, every model, same arena, and you can change, and you can custom arena is there, practice arena is there, beginning mode, simple and format. You have many games and session is there. We have developed many game levels here. Okay, this is one kind of the game level. You can make many maze solver robots. And everything is there, and we have an also international competitions is also there in this. When you complete the level 5 only, it will open the level 6. So each and every session you will enjoy. Okay, enjoy with the coding, and you will be uh, enjoying in the session. So this is one course where you can do the coding. This is called RoboC software coding. Okay. Another one is that it is an uh, game designing coding, but we cannot show it in the Zoom because of it needs more graphics, and it will be stuck by the Zoom. So, okay, I will show you some of the things which is happening in the game designing. Just wait a minute. I'll get, we'll have It is visible to you? Anybody, please let me know it is visible. Yes, I think so. It is visible. This is the game designing. Yeah, okay, okay. So this is the game designing thing. It is developed by the Microsoft. Okay, so where you can create a lot of games like this. Have you heard about the Super Mario and all? So it can be designed by this thing. This is a game designing thing. Okay, so these are the various patterns like home, play, hand, and how to make the robot, how to make the things, and everything is there. So because of the graphic consent, I cannot show you these things. Okay. So because when you coming to the course, you will be very surprised to make these big games very easily.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
The file has not opened.
File has not open. Just a minute. Just a minute.
No.
Now it is visible. Now it is visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible. Visible. Yes, now it is visible. To all the members, there is some. To all the TEF members, there is some technical issue. Please hold on. We'll be back in a couple of minutes. Thank you. Attention to all the TEF members. There is some technical error. We will be back in a couple of minutes. Please stay tuned.
Sorry, one second. It has been a technical glitch, so that.
Yes, sir. Welcome back.
Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. It's a peak time, so it is a lot of disturbances in the network. So, any questions and any further thing, we'll let you know. Okay. So with this, many sessions are there because of the high configuration. I cannot go to the game designing and do some activities on this platform because the Zoom doesn't support, and that too that network is over here. Sorry for that, and thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to us, and we are providing many courses by this platform TEF Quite. So if you have any queries, please ask the TEF persons. They will arrange you any callback or any queries to you. Okay, I'm here and I'm here to guide you on robotics. So we'll take the TEF to the next level. So I thank Mr. President Dr. Jay Kumar and General Secretary Mr. Kishore Kumar, IT team, and all the executive for organizing these committee members for inviting the Techno School and giving me this wonderful opportunity. So I thank you once again, and I think this session will be very informative.
Sir, excuse me, sir. There are some questions actually.
Yes. Can
which
ask.
our members have asked. So I'll be putting it to you out. Okay.
Okay.
Number one, what is an airborne robot? Can you please
Airborne
explain?
robot is nothing but it is an drone related robot. When the robots is fly in air, it is called airborne robot.
Thank you. Will delivery bots be programmed after every function done?
The question is not clear, I think so.
These delivery robots to be programmed after every function done?
Delivery robot, no, it is an programmed thing. Everything when you order a product, it will be directly. It is programmed to that particular delivery code, and it will be programmed automatically. It cannot be programmed now and then.
And what is a cloud robot, sir?
Cloud robot is nothing but it's an many robots. It's based on the internet. So many cloud bots is there. Many programming bots is there. That is called cloud bots. When you go for an website, it is redirected into another website. It is a one kind of a bot. So it is a bot which is used in the net. That is called cloud bots. Yes. Any other questions?
What is the coding type used most of the time, sir?
Most of the time, the backend is C++, and based upon the application, the coding will differ. When you there is a many type of coding. The Arduino, for the Arduino programming, they are using C and embedded C. For Raspberry Pi, they are using the Python, which is very interesting nowadays. And we are using the both C++, embedded C, and Python here in our courses.
Okay. And you have shown some disaster management robo video in this one, in your demo session. May I know how it works? Is it an automated spray system, or is it a robotic?
It have both automated system and a manual system. Basically, it will not automate. They will not automate it because they don't know the exact place and thing. So they will operate manually by remote.
Okay, sir. Do Mercedes-Benz artificial intelligence cars need fuel?
Pardon? Come again?
This Mercedes-Benz artificial intelligence cars, does it need fuel?
Yeah, it is a battery. It is an electric vehicle. All the concept cars are electric vehicles. It has to be charged. No fuel is required.
And is drone a robot?
Pardon?
is drone. Drone is a robo.
Drone is a kind of robot. Can I know what is a robot? Is nothing but it can do its work automatically. That is a robot. So when drone do its work automatically, it's become a robot. Okay, the drone can be automated and drone can be manually operated. So it is a robot.
Just give us 2 minutes, sir. Let me ask with my team members if they are
Yeah.
interested to ask some
Sure.
questions. We will open questions to the team.
Sure. Robot.
Members, you can raise the hand if you have any questions so that we can allow you to talk. I think Miss Lakshita Sri Balu is online to ask question to you.
Yes.
How much duration need to learn robot coding?
It depends. It depends on your learning capacity. You can learn in 6 months. You can learn in 2 years. It's depend on your speed of the learning capacity.
Sir, I'm 10 years old.
Okay. You need at least 2 years to learn coding. The
Okay,
topmost
thank you, sir.
coding. Okay. You can learn very easily by this game designing, and you can learn coding through this robot simulation software very easily. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Lakshita. Next, Mr. Gangai Seelan is on.
So rover is a robot. So it is in our control, or it is manual, or it is in it's automatical.
Robot is nothing but it is we can control it by ourselves, and it can be automated also. Do you have a remote car with you?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have a washing machine with you in your home?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, do you think washing machine is a robot or a machine?
I think it is a machine.
How are you saying it is a machine? Because you are not doing anything for that washing machine. You are just giving the input, the cloths. It will wash automatically. It will soak automatically. It will rinse automatically. It is drying automatically. So it is doing its work automatically. It is a programmed robot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Next, Mr. Sanjeev can ask question.
Yes.
Sir, how can a robot walk?
Through legs. What is this question?
No, I am asking.
There's many platforms. It can walk through legs, or it can go through wheels. Depends upon the application. The robot can walk.
Okay, sir.
By the motors. Motors is the main thing to walk.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjeev. Next, Mr. Kavin can ask question.
Sir, what is the name of the gaming software which you showed?
It is Kudu.
So what is the spelling?
KODU.
Thank you, sir. And it is free?
It is a freeware, but you have to learn for that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next, Harini is there to ask question. Harini, you there?
I think Harini stepped away. I'm his daddy.
Yes.
I think Harini joined late. Is there any like presentation you are reviewing during this, which I can review with her later? Something with her.
Yeah, we have detailed discussion presentation is there, sir.
Okay.
So you can ask the TEF to show that.
So the same will be shared in YouTube also. You can watch it later.
That should help. Thank you.
The TEFQuite website.
Any other questions?
Rajinikanth is there to ask some question. Or to
Yes.
Rajinikanth.
Rajinikanth, are you there?
We'll go to Mr. Vishwat.
Okay.
So how to find the correct balance for a two-legged robot so that it doesn't tip either side, sir?
Come again? Your voice is not audible.
Sir, how to find the balance for a two-legged robot? So if we are walking, we don't tip either forward or backward. We don't fall. So how to find the correct balance for a robot, sir?
Yeah, good question. And it depends upon the structure what you are having on the robot. Okay, if it is called a center of gravity, it has to be the mass and center of gravity it should fall within the base. When the center of gravity is away from the base, the robot will fall. So you should always design a robot with a big base and a short weight. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir. Done.
Can I wind up the session?
Yes, you can please wind up the session, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, please.
We could see there are a lot of students interested in.
Yes.
And we could see some of the students, they enjoyed your demo class. They have put us in the message also.
Please mute them.
Thank you so much.
Please mute them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you once again to this TEF team. And once again, thank Mr. Dr. Jaikumar and General Secretary Mr. Kishore Kumar for arranging this wonderful opportunity and all the IT supports to give this, make this wonderful session as a success. Thank you. Same. Bye-bye. Vanakkam. Nandri.
Please be there for a while, sir. There is a vote of thanks followed by this.
Sure.
That was an awesome introductory session on robotics and coding. On behalf of TEF and all its members, we thank Techno School for Robotics for this wonderful informative workshop and hope many of you will start exploring these robotic practicals. And for your information, members, like if you need to procure the robotics kit and if you need to explore it yourself in Kuwait, you can directly visit to RTC Electronics, Havali. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.